How do letters of guardianship impact ward rights? Imagine someone taking charge of your decisions without asking you first. That's what happens when a court issues a letter of guardianship. These legal papers are like a formal badge that gives a guardian the authority to make decisions for a person who can't do so alone. The court grants this authority after deciding the individual, called the ward, isn't able to handle certain matters on their own. When a guardian receives these letters, they get the power to manage the ward's personal and financial affairs. But this power comes with limits. The court carefully defines what the guardian can and cannot do. For example, the guardian might be allowed to handle healthcare decisions but not to decide where the ward lives. The court might restrict the guardian from making decisions about voting, owning firearms, or buying property. These restrictions are in place because the court believes the ward cannot safely or effectively make those choices. Even with these limits, the ward still keeps many rights. They can still have contact with friends and family, participate in religious activities, and enjoy basic personal freedoms. The guardian's job is to act in the best interest of the ward, making sure they are safe, healthy, and cared for. Guardians are also required to report to the court regularly about the ward's well-being and finances. This oversight helps prevent abuse or neglect. The scope of guardianship can vary. Sometimes it is full, meaning the guardian makes nearly all decisions. Other times it is limited, allowing the ward to keep some rights. For example, a guardian might only handle financial matters, letting the ward decide about medical treatments or daily activities. This flexibility helps balance protection with independence. From an elder law point of view, understanding how letters of guardianship affect rights is key. It helps families and older adults know what to expect and how to protect their dignity. Courts often look for less restrictive options before granting full guardianship. This means exploring supported decision-making or other alternatives first. In the end, these letters legally transfer decision-making power from the ward to the guardian. While they do restrict some rights, they are meant to protect the person's safety and well-being. The court's supervision ensures the guardian acts responsibly and in the best interests of the ward.